World Air Traffic Control Day is a global observance dedicated to recognizing the vital role of air traffic controllers in ensuring the safety and efficiency of air travel. It is an opportunity to celebrate the diligence and expertise of these professionals who work tirelessly to manage the flow of air traffic, provide crucial guidance to pilots, and maintain safe distances between aircraft. World Air Traffic Control Day was established to honor the crucial role of air traffic controllers in ensuring the safety and efficiency of global air traffic. The day serves as a recognition of their dedication and contribution to aviation. Air traffic control plays a crucial role in ensuring global aviation safety by guiding and monitoring the movement of aircraft to prevent collisions and maintain efficient flow of air traffic. Air traffic controllers play a crucial role in managing the movement of aircraft by ensuring the safe and efficient flow of air traffic in the skies. They coordinate with pilots to maintain proper spacing and sequencing of aircraft during takeoff, landing, and en route phases of flight. Their quick decision-making and communication skills are vital for preventing mid-air collisions and minimizing delays. The technological advancements in air traffic control systems have revolutionized the aviation industry, making air travel safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. From the implementation of radar systems to the development of GPS-based navigation and communication systems, air traffic control has evolved significantly over the years. Standardizing air traffic control procedures internationally is crucial for ensuring the safe and efficient movement of aircraft across borders. By having consistent protocols and communication procedures, the risk of errors and misunderstandings is minimized, leading to a higher level of air safety. Air traffic control plays a crucial role in ensuring efficient air travel by guiding and managing the movement of aircraft in designated airspaces. By providing real-time communication and navigation assistance to pilots, air traffic control contributes to safe and timely flight operations. On World Air Traffic Control Day, it is crucial to recognize and appreciate the vital role of air traffic controllers in ensuring the safety and efficiency of air travel.